Hi everyone, it's James in Japan. I'm in Akashi City at JR Akashi Station. I'm going to get a ICOCA card. ICOCA card. You need a total of 2,000 yen. First you need to go to either the tickets right over there or the Midori no Madaguchi. Now we're going to look for ICOCA. Here it is. Okay, that's how to do it. Okay, you buy this ICOCA card from one of the ticket machines or at Midori no Madaguchi, okay? Okay, you need 500 yen to buy the card, and that's a refundable 500 yen if you don't need this anymore, okay? And another thing is that you need an initial 1,500 yen in this card, a prepaid 1,500 yen. So in the beginning, when you first buy this card, you need 2,000 yen. Okay? You need 2,000 yen. You can use this on any JR train, any JR line, anything JR, and at participating shops that use ICOCA. Okay, so it's just tap and pay. That's it. And anytime if you want to, if you need to top it off, just go to that machine and I'll do another video on how to do that. Okay, so it's really easy. You don't have to talk to anyone. Okay, and you see people lining up at the tickets, so it's pretty busy. So if you're going to buy this, buy it early. Okay, and when you want to use it, I'll show you where to use it. Let me show you. Okay, right over here, you see the IC. You want to tap it on the IC, okay, or just above it. That's it. Okay, guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.